Expressions quiz, law. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about the law. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. If you break the law, you could be arrested and sent to jail. A. Enforce the law. B. Damage the law. C. Commit a crime. Break the law means letter C. Commit a crime. Number 2. My cousin was put behind bars for driving while drunk. A. Banned from bars. B. Sent to prison. C. Sent to trial. Answer: put behind bars means letter B. Sent to prison. Number 3. The former president was brought to justice for all the crimes he was accused of. A. Put on trial. B. Punished. C. Imprisoned. Brought to justice means letter A. Put on trial. Number 4. Members of the royal family used to be above the law. A. Protected by the law. B. Not subject to the law. C. In control of the law. Answer: above the law means B. Not subject to the law. Number 5. Instead of calling the police, Jimmy took the law into his own hands and shot the thief. A. Illegally punished a lawbreaker. B. Punished an innocent person. C. Tried to help the police. Answer: took the law into his own hands means A. Illegally punished a lawbreaker. Number 6. All the cops who attacked the suspect will stand trial for his murder. A. Be blamed by a jury. B. Be punished by a judge. C. Be tried in a court of law. Stand trial means each letter C. Be tried in a court of law. Number 7. Many people think Julian has been the victim of a miscarriage of justice. A. Wrongful punishment. B. Delay in punishment. C. Mild punishment. Answer: miscarriage of justice means letter A. Wrongful punishment. Number 8. The jury members believe beyond a shadow of a doubt that the man on trial is innocent. A. With a fair bit of certainty. B. With complete certainty. C. With a fair bit of doubt. Answer: beyond a shadow of a doubt means letter B. With complete certainty. Number 9. After the jury found him guilty, the accused man waited a month for the judge to pass sentence. A. Reverse the verdict. B. Sentence him to jail. C. Say what the punishment will be. Pass sentence means letter C. Say what the punishment will be. And number 10, last item. Despite the seriousness of her crime, she only got a slap on the wrist. A. A very light punishment. B. A long jail sentence. C. A warning. A slap on the wrist means letter A. A very light punishment. This video ends here about expressions quiz law. Thanks for watching.